Okay, so welcome back. This video I'm just recording for my learning purpose. If you can learn from it, you are most welcome. But it is only I have created for my learning purpose, like how I have created those pipeline and everything. So what I'm going to do here is I have created this project first of all. So let me show you the first thing, which is the thing which I need to do. So basically, this is the project which I had created earlier. So integration with CircleCI, I have already created a video for that. So this is just a progress in that. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to integrate it with my VS Code. So this is my VS Code. And here, what I have done, so through source control, like here, I can give my source repo, and then I have cloned my repo code, and I have integrated the code here. Once that is done, that part is completed, then in template.yml. So this is a cloud formation template, which I have written just a simple EC2 instance, which I have created here. And what it is going to do, it is like security group and only that EC2 instance. That's all. Another thing which I have done till now is let's see in project if we will go like we will go in projects and project settings in SSH keys. What I have done, I have added a SSH key here. So I have this SSH key at my local. What I have done here, I have just copy paste it here. So that is the one step, and host name I have given the full because it will be applied to every EC2 server or AWS. Then it has generated this fingerprint. So these I have added in my code where I have to add these. So in CircleCI we can add these here like this. So this command till here add fingerprint. So this you need to add in your code if you want to give SSH access. And for that, I think I have some document also. So we can go here and we can just check how to get SSH keys injected. So there it will show you, but it is simple like that we can do. Then coming to our the project file. So now most of the things which I need to do is I have to do, okay, so just to give you brief overview, in earlier project, I have just set up for this hello world and this task main.yml. In this package, I am installing and all these through Ansible I am doing. And this is my ansible.config. I am just giving inventory path. And in inventory, I have added this host ID. That's all I have done till now. And maybe so this is the server which was running earlier, 158, and that I have tried 3000, and it is was giving hello world. So that is just a deployment which I had done earlier. Now what I am going to do is I have to uh, create the jobs. So let's go one by one. So this code you just need to copy paste. When you it will be automatically created once you will create a project in CircleCI. Then command section we will come later. So first of all, jobs. What we need to do is we need to create our jobs. So like I'm going to define an infrastructure. So for that purpose, what I need to do, I have to define a job, create infrastructure. In that, I am using AWS CLI commands. So I have to give this image here. Then simply check out. And this is the simple AWS CLI command which you can take. Like you can search on net AWS Cloud Formation Stack Creation, and that command I have to give. And this name you can give anything. These are the value where in variable where you have to pass the parameter. So this parameter and this template.yaml is the this file. Deploy is the command that I have done. Then I have to configure my infrastructure. So in infrastructure configuration, this Docker image, SSH keys, I already told you like how we can add. Then dependency install. So this we need to like if we want to update our Ansible, this command we need to run. Then this main remote.yaml file, that Ansible playbook, which we need to run. So from this command we need to run. Once that is done, then we have to create a smoke test. I'm just creating here google.com, but to be honest, we have to give our website. I like what we can say here is similar to that. This path we have to give, but I'm not giving because I have two servers, so that's why I just created for my learning purpose this. And where were we? Yeah, here. So that is done. And then whatever job you have created in workflow in sequence, like create infrastructure, configure infrastructure, smoke test, all these things you need to do. Okay, so that's all I have done. And let me try one thing here. So this was my EC2 instance, and this is the okay, inventory. Okay, it is done. And yeah, so let's save the changes. Then first command will be yeah to keep our repo up to date. Then and then git checkout to switch to our dev branch, and then git commit. No, git add we need to do. Then we can check git status, which file has been modified. So it is showing this file. Now we can commit our changes, and for committing our changes we have to update the inventory file. Inventory is and this inventory file updated. So inventory file updated. Then after committing this, what we need to do, git commit, git push origin there, and that's all we need to do. Once that is done, so our pipelines should be triggered here. Yeah, this is started. Let's see it is working. Yeah, so smoke test, create infrastructure, all these jobs, it is checking which job is working fine or not. Yeah, smoke test pass, configure infra pass, and create infra. Okay, so I'm not sure, but yes, these are the three stack it is creating. So let's see how many instance it will create. Okay. One, two, three. Okay. So as of now, I have not. What I have done, I have not deleted the existing, or I am not updating the existing one. So it is creating instance again and again every time. But we have to update that code, so that I will do again. Let's delete these. Yes. Okay. So that's the thing which I have done till now.